You guys, welcome back to my channel. This is M. Williams with Sugar Salon TV. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new, welcome, welcome. Subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are a blessing, and those who look to subscribe. Anyway, you guys, we're going to jump right in here. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, and then I'm going to let you listen to some great music. So I'm just doing a mohawk style. Some people call it mullet, mohawk, Kelly cut. I've already cut it. I've already added a track on a previous video, or actually some number 30 honey blonde tracks. I've already added them, and I'm gonna put that video down in the description box below. You can watch that, just showing where I did this style, where I cut it, where I added the tracks and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just phase on out of here, fade on out, and let you guys watch this and listen to some great music. Thanks so much again for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day.
For my mama, when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up, watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy.
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At the cup. Simpler times, I never cried when summer died.
Wait.